Alright guys, let me show you how you can go and finish the quest with riding some rides in the Cartmanland. What you do, let's go down here and let me show you what you can do there. Alright, so what you gonna do is go land here on the first ride. You need to go and do this. So you got one ride. So there are different rides on here, like this really brown water. You can jump in here, just counts as right. Then we have already like I think three, and the fourth is over here on this wheel. You can just go and jump on here and use the wheel. Cartmanland ride quests in Fortnite. Hope this helps. Please like this video, comment below, subscribe for more tutorials. Bye bye.